Hello. RACH preamble formats. Normally, let's discuss how in LT we are using the the RACH preamble formats. So we are having 5 popular formats in LT. So being the first 4 used in FDD, and this one the format 4 exclusively only for TDD technology. So I've written the formats, the format bifurcation like cyclic prefix and the original preamble time, plus the propagation time on each of the formats and the range. So format 0 normally 100 milliseconds and 800 milliseconds. This is the exact you can say through which we send the preamble. This place we can use. This is like cyclic prefix. So for that the propagation time would be 50 microseconds and the range is 15 km for format 1. This is normally why we need to use long cyclic prefix. So 680 microseconds cyclic prefix and 800 microseconds for the original preamble timing, and the propagation time is 260 microseconds and the range is 80 kilometers for format 2 long repeated preamble. So we have 800 and 800, like here only 800 microseconds the preamble period. We are having 2 consecutive 800 microseconds and 200 microsecond initial cyclic prefix. So the propagation time is 100 microseconds and range is 30 kilometers. For the format 3 we are having long cyclic prefix along with long preamble. So 680, like this. Format 1 we are having the longest cyclic prefix 680 microseconds plus 2 800 and 800 1600 microseconds. So the difference between these three is this one is cyclic prefix long and only 800 microseconds preamble timing. Here we are having 1600 preamble timing and 680 milliseconds. This one only the cyclic prefix is short, 200 microseconds. Propagation time is 360 microseconds and the range is 100 kilometers, the highest among all, because we are having long cyclic prefix and long preamble time. Format 4 normally, especially for TDD technology, the short preamble and short cyclic prefix we are using. So the timing is like this: 133 microseconds the preamble time, and then the cyclic prefix is 15 microseconds only. So the propagation time is 5 microseconds and the range is 1.4 kilometers. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned with my other videos. Thank you.